Hello everyone. Hope you are all in the best of spirit, health and disposition. Welcome to a new video of Quest of Truth. For those who are new to my channel, I am Dr. Sumaya Alansari in my quest for the pearls of wisdom from the ocean of knowledge to relieve the ailments of our suffering fellow beings. If you wish to accompany me in my journey, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to stay tuned. Let's begin with the lecture number 4 of the book, The Principles and Practice of Homeopathy by Dr. Richard Hughes. In this lecture, Dr. Hughes basically talks about the knowledge of disease. However, he begins the lecture by a brief discussion about the field of therapeutics besides the drug therapeutics which homeopathy is concerned with. Heavy? Let me explain. Homeopathy is a therapeutic method. How? We have already discussed in the part 1 of the lecture 1. The link to the video is in the description box below. Homeopathy is a therapeutic method and it belongs exclusively to that part of the therapeutic sphere in which drugs are instruments. A drug, let me remind you, is any substance that is capable to bring about a change in the sensations and functions of a person either in the state of health or in the state of disease. Homeopathy is a drug therapeutic, and as it has its set of advantages, it also has its share of limitations. Can you think of some limitations of homeopathy? Tell me in the comment section. Similia similibus may be the best mode of choosing medicines, but medicines are not the only way of treating sick. There are other ways of treating the sick as well. In case you are wondering what Similia similibus is, we have already discussed it in detail in the videos explaining lecture 6. You will find the links in the description box below. You heard me right. There are other ways of treating the sick as well. As unusual as it may sound today, it was even more unheard of in Dr. Hahnemann's times. Back then, a doctor was called an apothecary, which literally meant one who served drugs from the store. No wonder homeopathy does not give instructions about other resources of physician's art. For example, diet, regimen, hygiene, climate, use of water, etc. Dr. Hughes stresses on the importance of being aware of other therapeutic methods. Being a physician and not merely a homeopathist, Dr. Hughes says that we must know about and employ other ways of treating sick or other ways of treating the patients like surgery, hygiene, massage, hydrotherapy, galvanotherapy, so on and so forth, along with the use of drug action. So we understand from Dr. Hughes' perspective, surgery is another therapeutic method and not a part of allopathic mode of treatment as opposed to the common notion nowadays. What do you think? Share your opinion in the comment section. Hope you found the video helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you found the content useful enough. Share it with your friends and colleagues who would like to know more about Hughesian philosophy. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and click on the bell icon to get further updates. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy.